Looking for the best iPhone earbuds for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 iPhone earbuds that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find an iPhone earbuds that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended iPhone earbuds. Number 1 on the list is Sony WF-1000XM4. We imagine that readers would be expecting an AirPods variant to open up this best iPhone earbuds guide, but that would be too predictable. Sony is arguably one of the biggest names when it comes to portable audio, and they've proved it once again with WF-1000XM4 best iPhone earbuds. They're not cheap, but in this case, buyers will get what they pay for. True noise cancelling makes sure users can focus at the gym, at work, or on a noisy commute thanks to this technology blocking out outside disturbances. Some premium best iPhone earbuds have integrated processors on board. In this case, the V1 processor allows support of the LDAC audio codec natively to provide some of the best audio quality seen in the market. The processor is also responsible for delivering the earbuds' true noise-canceling experience. Sony has put a focus on calls with these best iPhone earbuds too. Call quality is crystal clearer thanks to the onboard tech, which reduces volume during conversations whilst utilizing a beamforming microphone to make a user's voice stand out from the crowd. WF-1000XM4 is also IPX4 water resistant, which means it's okay to get a bit sweaty whilst using these best iPhone earbuds during a good workout or outdoors. Second on the list is Apple AirPods Pro. This wouldn't be the best iPhone earbuds guide without mentioned AirPods Pro. Not only do they easily and natively connect to a user's iPhone, but they also support iOS 15 spatial audio features too. Spatial audio emulates the audio produced by AirPods Pro to feel like it is all around you, giving users a more authentic listening experience. These best iPhone earbuds also support head tracking, which works with spatial audio to place audio around users in relation to where their head is positioned. For example, if a user hears a guitar part to the left of them, head tracking allows them to turn and face the audio, which is then moved to face the user. AirPods Pro is also capable of active EQ, a feature that automatically balances audio levels to suit a user's ear, which is most impressive. It comes with 3 sizes of silicone tips like most buds, but this is a new feature for the AirPod lineup. The force sensor is just another way of describing touch sensors on the earbud stems. These allow control of volume, taking calls, and more. These best iPhone earbuds also sweat and water resistant. Number 3 on the list is Powerbeats Pro wireless earbuds. These best iPhone earbuds are hiding some pretty great specifications and features straight from the Apple workbench. They feature the Apple H1 processor alongside Class 1 Bluetooth to make sure users suffer hardly any audio dropouts and extended signal range. These features come in handy for keeping audio flowing during a workout whilst a user's iPhone is safe and sound on charge and away from potential damage. Speaking of care, these best iPhone earbuds are also eligible for Apple Care Plus, which means they are covered against accidental damage and 24/7 tech support alongside genuine Apple parts. In case readers haven't guessed by now, Beats are now owned by Apple. The reinforced design of the Powerbeats Pro wireless earbuds means they are built for working out and staying in users' ears in the most challenging of circumstances. In fact, they have a very sturdy ear clip that fits around and at the back of the ear for a secure and snug fit every time. There's also a fast fuel feature that gives 1.5 hours of playback on a 5-minute charge. Number 4 on the list is Apple AirPods, 3rd generation. Apple's standard AirPods aren't to be sniffed at either, especially since the 3rd generation has undergone a well-needed redesign to better fit people's ears. Although we must let readers know that some users with smaller ears don't find third-generation AirPods very comfortable. In fact, these best iPhone earbuds share some similarities to AirPods Pro, which may be worth considering as standard AirPods come with a cheaper price bracket. Spatial audio is present with head tracking, which means music moves along with the user in 3D space. Adaptive EQ is also present too, making sure each track sounds its best without users needing to adjust volume settings. AirPods third generation holds out for 6 hours on a single charge. The included MagSafe charging case holds enough power to charge AirPods for up to 30 hours total listening time. That means that users can charge AirPods 5 times before needing to charge the MagSafe case, which is ideal for commuters. Number 5 on the list is Bose Sport Earbuds. Bose is one of the biggest names in home audio, and they've brought their great reputation to the best iPhone earbud market. Bose is quite confident in its lifelike sound technology, which makes an audio sound like it's being performed live in front of users. These best iPhone earbuds also include Stay Here Max tips that are designed to stay in-ear and to stay comfortable by providing a wider silicone cone. Bose Sport earbuds really are built for working out thanks to their IPX4 rating. This means users don't have to worry about getting these earbuds wet outdoors or sweaty during a solid workout. These Bose earbuds feature beamforming microphone technology also, meaning those calls in the middle of the gum won't be muffled by the sound of clanking weights and loud running machines. Simple touch controls are also integrated into the sides of these earbuds, allowing users to swipe up and down to control volume, tap to play or pause, answer calls, and more. These buds last 5 hours on a single charge with the option for 2 hours of playtime on a 15-minute charge. Just now is a list of 5 best iPhone earbuds that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.